These are English bluebell. They are in bloom. They are bulbs. They like partial shade. This bed gets morning sun and then starts getting shade around noon, depends on the time of year, spring and summer. They go dormant, of course, over the late fall and winter. They're not technically invasive, but they do tend to spread by themselves. This spread was encouraged by turning the soil over gently. Not every season, of course. And there is a related video that you can check out next. Please share this video and leave any comments or questions below, and I'll be sure to answer them.